How to connect home phone to Spectrum modem. First of all, make sure your Spectrum modem is fully activated and your voice service is working properly. Spectrum Voice uses a system called Voice over Internet Protocol, which means it sends your phone signal through the internet connection. Now, locate the port on the back of your Spectrum modem labeled Tel1 or Voice. Take a regular telephone cable and plug one end into that port. After that, connect the other end of the cable to your home phone's line port. Wait a few seconds for the modem to detect your phone connection. Once the Tel1 light on the modem turns solid, pick up your phone and listen for a dial tone. If you hear it, your phone is ready to use. If you want all the phone jacks in your home to work, you can connect the modem to one of your wall jacks instead of directly to the phone. Just plug one end of the cable into the Tel1 port on the modem and the other end into a wall jack. This will activate all the phone jacks throughout your home, allowing you to connect multiple phones easily. And that's it. So this is how to connect your home phone to Spectrum modem. Like and subscribe if this helped.